Hello everyone. Uh, in today's video, we will be looking at another method for finding the multiples of different numbers. If you didn't have seen my previous uh, two videos regarding this topic, then I have already uploaded those videos uh, on my channel, so you can watch those videos. In each video I have uploaded a unique method for finding out the multiples of different numbers. These methods will help you a lot, especially when you are dividing any particular number. Okay, now let us start the video. Example number 1. In example number 1, we will see that how we can uh, find out different multiples of number 4. As we know very well that if somebody asks you to write down the multiples of 4, so usually people read the multiples of 4 like 4 times 1 is equals to 4, 4 times 2 is equals to 8, 4 times 3 is equals to 12, 4 times 4 is equals to 16, and so on and so forth. If you will read the multiples in this way, so it will consume a lot of time, it will take a lot of time for you. If you are let's suppose dividing any particular number by 4, then obviously if you will read the multiples of 4 in this way, so it will take a lot of time for you to read the multiples of 4, different multiples of 4. So today I am telling you a unique method. With the help of that method you will be able to read the multiples of 4, uh, especially when you are this method will help you especially when you are dividing any large number by 4. So let us see that how this method works. So as you can see over here that there is a table. The table has two columns. The one column is of multiples of 4, and the second column is the number of times, is of number of times. Now if we will see the second row, in second row I have mentioned 4, and in the second row and first column, in the second row and second column we have number 1. So as we know very well that 4 times 1 is equals to 4. Okay, now in the third row you can see that I have mentioned 8. As we know very well that the double of 4 is 8, and whereas the double of 1 is 2. So 4 times 4 multiply by 2 is equals to 8. Now just keep on taking the double of these numbers. The double of 8 is 16, whereas the double of 2 is 4. So 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16, and the double of 16 is 32, and the double of 4 is 8. So 4 8s are 32. Double of 32 is 64, and the double of 8 is 16. 4 16s are 64. So double of 64 is 128, and the double of 16 is 32. So 4 32s are 128. Similarly, the double of 128 is 256 and the double of 32 is 64. So 4 64s are 256 and the double of 256 is 512 and the double of 64 is 128. So 4 128 times is equals to 512. So this is how, if you will read the multiples of 4 in this way, so this method can help you a lot whenever you are dividing any large number, let's say a 4-digit number or a 5-digit number or any number which has digits more than 5. So this method will help you a lot. Now let's see another example. Example number 2. In example number 2, we have taken the number 13. Okay, the first column is of multiples of 13 and the second column is the number of times. As we know that in the second row and first column you can see 13, and in the second column and second row we have 1. So 13 multiplied by 1 is 13. We know very well. So now just keep on taking the double. The double of 13 is 26 and the double of 1 is 2. So 13 2s are 26. And the double of 26 is 52, whereas the double of 2 is 4. So 13 4s are 52. Double of 52 is 104 and the double of 4 is 8. So 13 8s are 104. Similarly, double of 104 is 208 and the double of 8 is 16. So 13 multiplied by 16 is equals to 208. The double of 208 is 416 and the double of 16 is 32. So 13 multiplied by 32 is 416. The double of 416 is 832 and the double of 32 is 64. So 13 multiplied by 64 is 832. The double of 832 is 1664, whereas the double of 64 is 128. So 38 multiplied by 128 is equals to 1664. So this is how, if you will read the multiples of 13 in this way, or if you write down the multiples of 13 in this way, so this method can help you a lot whenever you are dividing any particular number, let's say 4-digit number, 5-digit number, or any number which has digits greater than 5, which has more than 5 digits. If you are dividing such number by 13, then this method can help you a lot while solving these type of division questions. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have liked my video, and I will request you to please subscribe my channel, and if you have any suggestions or any thoughts, so you can share your thoughts in the comment box, and I hope you will give my video a like also. Thank you very much. Thank you.